How to leave a group in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can leave a Telegram group. So to do that, first of all, open the Telegram app on a mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Telegram account. Now once you're logged in, as you can see, I have joined this group right over here. So let's say you want to leave this group. Now what you'll have to do is simply tap on this group right over here. After that, tap on the profile picture which is in the top right corner of your screen. Now you will be taken to the settings page of this group, where all you have to do is tap on this option which says leave right over here. After that, a confirmation will appear where you'll have to simply tap on the leave option which is in red, and there you have it. If you want, you can undo this within 5 seconds, but if you don't, you can simply leave that, and there you have it. So that is basically how you leave a group on Telegram. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.